This is my new nRF9160 DK. It's a version 1.0. This one comes now in a new packaging, which is much more eco-friendly than before. So this is recycled paper and no longer this glossy inks. This anti-static bag, which is not really needed anymore these days with modern electronic components. Getting started guide. Oh yeah, a lot of stuff here. Well, what the difference is, what I really like here is that we now have a active antenna on there. There's a Tau glass active GPS antenna. Yeah, and that's the board. Shiny new DK with buttons and switches. This is where the SIM card goes. And on the back, a lot of room, a lot of explanation. Yeah, cool. Let's plug this in.